Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try the Olaplex hair treatment on my low porosity protein sensitive hair. So I have tried this once, but just for the front pieces because the front pieces are not as protein sensitive. I just wanted to kind of test it before I put it on the rest of my hair because my hair is very protein sensitive and it's extremely low porosity. From what I've seen in the front part of my hair, it didn't seem like too much of a strong protein treatment, but I've always heard about Olaplex. I've always wanted to try it. It's the Olaplex No. 3. It says repairs and strengthens all hair types. It says to use before shampoo, but the thing is, because my hair is extremely low porosity, I'm going to use this as a protein treatment after I wash my hair because it's very hard for anything to absorb into my hair. Yeah, so this is my hair freshly washed. I did not put any conditioner in my hair. No rinse out conditioner, no leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to section off my hair and apply the product. So I have a spray bottle here with warm to hot water, and this allows me to absorb in more product into my hair. It just slightly raises the cuticles and it makes my hair more flexible, easy to manage, and easy for the product to distribute throughout my hair strands. I'm going to pour some onto my hands, and the consistency is very thin, which is perfect. Usually treatments are a bit thicker. So this is actually quite thin. This reminds me of like a rinse out conditioner texture. So it's going to be very easy to absorb into my hair. And this is the perfect time to put in some protein because I think I'm going to put my hair back into a protective style. So far, I'm liking the fact that it absorbs into my hair really well. It's not the best detangler, but it does, I would say it does the job. But I don't know if the way it feels into my hair, it's almost kind of like I can tell it's a protein treatment right away, which is so weird because usually it takes a little while for my hair to react to protein. So we'll see how it turns out at the end. So I actually usually use bigger sections when I do my hair, but because I'm testing out like a new product, I want to just make sure I really coat my hair strands really well and really saturate it because it's going to really help me determine how well or how my hair reacts to the product. So I'm pretty excited to see the results because I've always heard such great things about Olaplex. But the only thing is the people that really like it either have color treated hair or they have fine textured hair. And so my hair is totally opposite. I have no color in my hair at all. I don't have fine texture, maybe a little bit in the front pieces, but the majority of my hair I have coarse textured hair. And that's one of the reasons why I am protein sensitive. And so I've really never came across anybody use Olaplex treatment No. 3 with my hair type. So I'm really curious to see how it's going to turn out because although I'm protein sensitive, I still need protein in my hair. It's just that I need it less often than those that don't have protein sensitive hair, and also I have to make sure I'm using the right type of proteins for my protein sensitive hair. So this is what the front part of my hair is. As you can see, the texture is really different. It's more finer in texture. It's more limp, as you can see, and less curl definition. So the thing is, if you really want optimal health for your hair, if you have different textures throughout your hair, you will have to treat them differently. So I'm going to have to put more protein treatments in the front of my hair compared to the rest of my hair. So next time I do a treatment, the rest of my hair will be a deep conditioner, and this one, the front, will probably be another protein treatment. I feel like I should be doing it 3 times a month now for the front part of my hair. My hair has been changing a lot, especially the front part of my hair. And I think again it's because I've been doing a lot of protective styles, so my hair has been in a really stretched state. So now I'm finished all the sections of my hair. I'm gonna put a plastic cap over my hair. I'm gonna sit underneath the hooded dryer for about 45 minutes and then okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I was finished with the hooded dryer, and my hair feels extremely soft, and I noticed that it absorbed most of the Olaplex treatment. And so what I decided to do was, because it was really late at night and I was feeling really lazy, and I really hate doing this sometimes, but I did it. I actually left the treatment on overnight, but what I did was I let it air dry for the most part before I put it in a pineapple, and then I went to bed. I usually don't do that with protein treatments, but because my hair was starting to feel super soft, it didn't really feel like a protein treatment anymore. It definitely softened up after I sat underneath the hooded dryer. So that is what I did. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like the next day. I noticed as I was re-wetting my hair, it took a really long time for water to absorb in my hair, and I think it's because the Olaplex treatment, it has like a coating, a slight coating on my hair. It's not too bad, but I definitely feel a slight coating, and that's kind of preventing a lot of water coming into my hair strands. I also noticed that my hair feels like I can feel the strength in my hair. I would consider this to be a medium protein treatment. I don't feel the need to follow up with a moisture deep conditioner. I will follow up with a moisturizing leave-in conditioner and a butter and then an oil to seal that in. I feel like that will provide me with enough moisture to get the proper protein moisture balance. It does feel, next time I use this, I definitely won't leave it in as long as I did, because I do feel like my hair wouldn't feel as strong if I left it on for a little bit less. But who knows, sometimes it doesn't make a difference, but you have to play around with it. But my hair definitely needed a stronger protein treatment. Like I said before, I'm going to be putting it in a protective style, and my hair needs to be a bit stronger. As you can see, the front part of my hair, it really didn't make that much of a difference. I definitely need a lot more protein in the front bangs because it's a different texture. So if you have coarse textured hair like I do, which is protein sensitive, I would say still give this a try. I would say it's safe for protein sensitive hair, just you can't use it too often, of course, because you will get protein overload. But I do definitely feel like I actually do like the protein in here so far. I'm gonna do some more research on the actual protein because, again, I wasn't familiar with this protein ingredient. It's a new cosmetic ingredient. So I'll definitely do more research on that. But I liked how it felt in my hair because a lot of the protein treatments that I do try for my protein sensitive hair, sometimes they're just so light that I don't feel like it just did enough for my hair, to be honest. And because I don't put protein in my hair that often throughout the week, sometimes I'll prefer something a bit stronger. Yeah, overall, I like the consistency. I liked how it really absorbed into my hair strands. Because it's so light in consistency, it really absorbs into low porosity hair, which is perfect. So you know that your hair is gonna really drench this product. But yeah, like I understand, now I get why people rave a lot about this product, because I definitely would keep this into my natural hair routine. And especially for those that have colored hair, I can see this working really well with the hair as well. I'm really happy that I tried it because I definitely needed a stronger protein treatment. And yeah, so that's kind of all I think that I could say about this. Let me know in the comments below, have you guys ever tried Olaplex? I have their shampoo and their conditioner as well. So I might give that a try later on, but I really wanted to try their protein treatment for now. And let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on the results and if you're gonna try it. And let me know of any really good protein treatments you guys want me to try for low porosity or protein sensitive hair in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.